Like this, bro, no bullshit. Yeah, I didn't know where I was going, bro.
I believe it. So you were hanging out there,
I was hanging out this bitch, bro.
Man, you got water in the laptop?
Nigga, Will Fest is what, June 25th? I'm gonna have to help back together in 2 days, bro. We gotta go to work. That ain't stopping shit. That was just, nigga, we need a big brake system, man. And Will would, too. Will would need to endorse me, bro.
Y'all just didn't hook something up right.
Man, say, bro. That hoe ain't never happened, bro.
Y'all out of brake fluid or some shit.
Hell no.
Your tires on flat?
Bro, we check everything, nigga. This mad machine, bro.
Why you didn't drive it out of here?
What you mean? I can crank it up now. I ain't finna do that shit, though. I finna pull it. Hell no. Will Fest, bro.
Man, I got flip-flops on, man.
I told you, bro. Ain't no game, bro.
Me and you both.
It's not a joke.
What kind of crops is these? These people gonna be pissed the fuck off. They what? Red beans. Soybeans.
Yeah. A couple months ago, it was corn out here. Man, what was Path at?
Man, that's some crazy shit, bro. I ain't never seen that. That's some freaky shit. You still finna make Will Fest.
What the hell going on?
Bro, my brake, bro. I'm driving, bro. I hit the brake. That bitch pop, bro. Nigga, I been pulled to shoot. Shit, nigga, I went over the gravel, nigga, hit the wood. That shit crazy.
Hey, bro, it don't even look like you touched that wood, though.
Bro, I hit something, fool.
You still clean over that motherfucker. Ain't shit fucked up but the wheel.
Yeah, y'all hear me, bro.
The wheel, the strut, because that way it hit the hardest on that passenger side.
Crazy.
How you gonna get it back?
Shit, they finna tow that bitch.
You done shut the damn track down, fool.
Bro, they wasn't supposed to find me till in the morning, bro. Nah, they finna still run the radius. They ain't stopping shit.
Huh?
I ain't with that shit. That ain't stopping nothing. Shit, let's keep this on going.
Nah, we ain't racing no more.
Oh, you shut the track down?
Yes, I can.
Nah, it's a grudge race coming up.
No, everybody's got to wait.
Oh.
They just waiting on us to get out the way.
Oh, okay.
Now, that's a record right there. That's Ted.
Oh, okay. So when he get it, we can start back racing? All right.
So you may want to go with the car. But he's going to tow you out of it.
Yeah, he finna tow you out.
Yeah, they just told her, come on.
I'm gonna try to ride with Ted. Damn, man. We need a beat for him, man. We need a beat for him. We need a, who be singing a sad song? Oh, Rod Wave. We need a Rod Wave type beat. Turn on some Rod Wave on. Let's see how this gonna sound.
Baby plug, trim.
Hey. Work. Hey. I ain't got no brakes in this bitch. No. I'm trying to stop y'all. I ain't got no brakes in this bitch. I'm trying to stop every time. 8th mile, I can't stop. Even though I got a parachute, y'all, I still can't stop, y'all. I done broke all the crops, y'all. Kill the crops, y'all. Ain't no more soybean, y'all. Ooh, hey. He ain't got no brains. Hey, said he had some weird woods, but they didn't put them on good. Ooh, it's understood. Now he's sitting back here in these woods and stopped the damn track. He done ran all across the back. I don't know where the tow truck at, but they need to hurry up and come, y'all. Cause he's sitting looking dumb, y'all. Hey, tow truck on the way, y'all. Tow truck on the way, y'all. He said I'm about to do some numbers, dawg. What the should I say, y'all? Ooh, we gon' cry today, y'all. It's that Rod way, y'all. Damn, which way should we go? Got the track staff in the back of this hole. Got my boy Graham tow up his damn Chevy. On my car painted and it's heavy. Ooh, we the bucket track staff. Tired all this damn riff raff. Killing all the motherfucking crops. Tried to go, but he couldn't stop. Pulled out his damn parachute. It didn't work, so look at you. He trapped in the bag, y'all. He didn't have no brakes, y'all.
What? Willwood got to
Didn't have the brakes, y'all. Willwood need to re-endorse him, y'all. You know they ain't though, y'all. He gon' need some new brakes, y'all. And he gon' have to pay, y'all. Tryna get the play, y'all. Hey, got that comp hat to the back. Talking all that smack, but he can't stop back. Hey, he can't stop that. Hey, he can't stop that. What's the name of your company again? Man Machine Motorsports win. Is y'all gon' fix the goddamn brakes? Cause y'all done had them bitches right on the other day. Man, you couldn't stop. You couldn't hit the play. I seen you in the back 9 day. Comp cam hat to the back talking smack. Couldn't stop, ended in the back. Ran up it all day, y'all. He ain't had no damn brakes, y'all. He ain't had no damn brakes, y'all. Then killed all this soybean, y'all. Look at the damn ground, y'all.
Forever trail, bro.
This a forever trail, y'all.
Nigga.
Look at the other side, y'all.
Bro.
He done fucked up this shit, y'all. Why you do these people shit like that,
Brakes went
man?
out. Say, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Ain't no regular nigga could have did that shit, bro. Nigga, I'm telling you, bro. Nigga would have passed out on some shit like that, bro. I'm telling you.
Damn.
I'm right back out here, fool. You know what I'm saying? Shit ain't stopping nothing.
It ain't?
Hell nah. Nigga, I knew what I signed up for, nigga. I ain't doing this shit to look cool.
Why you saying something, man?
Nah, we good.
Oh.
Nigga, that's adrenaline, bro. You wanna see how far I went, nigga?
Yeah,
Shit.
I see.
You would be shook up right now, nigga. Probably boo-booed on yourself.
Yeah, man. Can I go? Yeah, let me go. Y'all want to stay back here and see this shit?
Hold on, wait, Paul.
Wait a minute. Paul. Hey. Paul. Damn you then, since you don't want to. All right, never mind. Don't damn you. Wait a minute. All right, we on here. Oh, shit, yeah, let me get in. This is a crazy motherfucker. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
What kind of tune up you had in that motherfucker?
Bro, that bitch went for a number, nigga. On my mama, nigga. I'm talking about that bitch
Damn,
went for a ride, boy.
That nigga had the computer in that bitch.
Boy, good tune up, nigga. I'm putting that hoe right back in.
You putting the same tune? That was a good tune.
On my mama, nigga. On my mama, we going right there hoping to get some bread. Boy, my mama, they ain't stopping
On
shit.
his mama.
We fixing that bitch tomorrow, nigga.
Where is his mama?
Fuck around, start